Welcome to Al Manzil, here in the heart of downtown Dubai. And can you believe it? We are literally under 10 minutes walk to the Dubai Mall and the world's tallest tower. So you would probably not even imagine that such a district actually exists, but here it is. And I have a property that I've just put on here on YouTube for sale. So I just want to do a little wander around to give you an idea of what this is like. So first of all, there's no cars allowed in Al Manzil. They're all underground, okay? So the parking is underground. I'm just going to walk through here because this is literally built like an old Emirati style town. But look at this. This is where we are. There's the world's tallest tower, the Burj Khalifa, okay? So you were literally minutes, and this is Vida Hotel. So if you know where Vida Hotel is in downtown, we're literally just behind Vida Hotel. So we'll just come and give you an idea of where this district is, because it just is completely hidden. Most people do not know. I mean, look at this. It's beautiful. It's like the old Arab doors. And people have got gardens here. I mean, these are old properties, don't get me wrong. They're over 12, 15 years old. But the location, and it's just so, there's no cars, all you can hear are birds and dogs. But I just wanted to give you a little walk around this area because I have a property that's just come on the market for sale. And so for those of you looking and interested, it's very important for you to obviously see the neighborhood too, okay? So, and just behind us, so that's Business Bay. So we're really right between the edge of Business Bay up here so here is the kids play area, and I mean that's just literally downtown there, okay. Just going to quickly show you into the swimming pool for 1 second. That's the resident swimming pool here, okay. So if you want some more details about this absolutely superb district, then get in touch with me. And I need to be able to get out, and I will get in touch with you. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel as always, and have a great day. This could be yours next, living right here.